This video is to bring awareness to the lack of accessible software and games for disabled individuals. The disability that I'm going to focus on is the #1 disability in America, back and spinal injuries. We hope to inspire you to use existing hands-free technology for those that have suffered back and spinal injuries and have been confined to a wheelchair. We encourage you to use the technique of gamification. We are proposing 3 ideas that will make the lives of a paraplegic and a quadriplegic a lot easier. We believe that we could apply gamification techniques in traditional computer use, video gaming, and physical sports. Meet Tim Hims and how gamification allowed him to use the power of his mind to control robotics.
I look at the ball at the top, and through my peripheral vision, I see the ball that's moving. So I'm focusing on the target, and almost with my peripheral, if I want to go up, I'm with my mental eyes or whatever you want to call it, lifting up, trying to get that ball to go up or trying to get it to go down. So I'm focusing on the target while watching the moving ball with my peripheral. It's like a one-player video game. I'm trying to beat my own score because there is a score. There's a certain percentage. It's out of 6. Each time I do it, it's out of 16 balls, if you want to say. And I want to know that number. If it's 13, I want the 14 or I want the 15. And so it's just a challenge to myself. One thing I found out that if I focus too hard, it doesn't work right. It has to be very natural.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad.
We're making such ground on this every single day. Every other day we're just going leaps and bounds. And knowing that we're doing that, if I had another week or 2 weeks or month, where would we be then? We've already done stuff that's unprecedented. I've been doing stuff, I've been told, that with the 3D curse control, people have been doing it for a year, 2 years, that they haven't got the type of control and percentages that I've gotten in a day, literally a day.
Our simple request is that we combine the technologies where mind control meets robotics. Our first idea is computer software accessibility using hands-free technology. Just imagine the confidence builder it would be to be able to operate a computer or a laptop just by thinking about the process. Meet Ken Worrell. Now just imagine hands-free technology used in his gamification.
I was pretty depressed because I didn't think I could do very much. Obviously, as a paralyzed man, I couldn't move my arms, couldn't move my legs. This lady came in from GF Strong, which is a rehab center, said, "Ken, I got something you might like. This new game called Diablo." And I said, "Oh, this is kind of cool. I'm kind of into like magic and swords and all this stuff. How can I play it?" So then she introduced the joust. And the joust is a device that I insert. I put it in my mouth, and where I move, I go to that target, or I move my character. So that was working out really well. So, and then with that, she told me that I could sit to left click and puff to right click. I'm like, oh, so I could click. I was like, yeah, I'm in heaven here. But as I got better and better and better, I started to kind of play Diablo seriously. And then I played for a while, and then Warcraft came out. So I tried Warcraft, and I'm like, I kind of like this game. So I started playing for a while, and then I played StarCraft a bit. That day, when the woman came and introduced me to these games, really opened up my life, and I think gave me the confidence to get through my injury and be who I am today. I love games. Diablo is my favorite game. Yeah, the first day I started streaming, I really didn't think I would like it.
They would also become productive in sports just by thinking of the process. I encourage you to use this technology. Let's implement it together. We can make the world a better place. Okay, we brainstorming on how we could get the idea as far as bringing accessibility to disabled people. Gamification. Go ahead, son.
I think you can do it by using their head movements, having a sensor that read their head movements, having a sensor that read their head movements, or like where their eyes go, or have something that go around their head to what they're thinking.